Hi, good morning everybody. I hope you're doing well. I want to make a few Egglesd recipes for those who are interested because eggs are so expensive. So I will be putting up once in a while a few recipes. This is going to be my favorite oats. I don't even know what to call it. It's just oats and flour mix. So you will just mix everything together. I will put the recipe ingredients for you in the description. But for 2 people, I'm using 3 oats. I add always my spices. This is cinnamon. You don't have to add anything. You can just add your oats and your salt. I don't add a lot of salt, just a little bit. Nutmeg and a teaspoon of baking powder. Cup of plain flour, and I'm going to add 1 cup of water. I might add more. I mix everything together. I will just whisk it up. I will add another half a cup of water. And start mixing. And start mixing. This cooks very fast. When it's cooked, you can add some cheese on top, jam, peanut butter, anything that you like. So you can make your own food at home very cheaply. This is my oats, pancakes, breads, whatever you want to call it, and I made my own coffee at home. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.